Yes, a new short form factor of video on learning Lightburn, no bull. Let's get straight to it. Short and concise in under 5 minutes. Let's go. So, masking. We want to get an image inside some text. It's really straightforward once you know what buttons to press. Let's get some text on the screen. I've prepared some already. And now let's bring in an image. So, this image is of some 3K carbon fibre plate. So I want to get the carbon fibre inside the letters. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to drag my image over. I'm going to scale it pretty much to cover the letters. I'm going to left click and drag, right click, apply mask. There you are, simple as that. Told you it was going to be as simple as 1, 2, 3. So what else can you do now? So what you can do is, if you click off and then you click inside the letter, you've now highlighted the image. So you can rotate the image and you can see the carbon weave is changing. But if you wanted to change that to that angle, you would then have to scale the image to cover all the text. But I think you get the point. It's very, very easy. You can drag it around. So if you had, if you had a floral pattern, you could drag the image around to get a certain flower, say in the M there. So what happens if you've made a mistake? How do you get back and change the image? So again, click on the image so you can drag it, right click and remove mask from image. Then you can drag that off, you can delete it and drag another image in. So let's just do that. So let's drag another image in. I've got a piece of tree bark. It's a big image, so let's just scale. Oh, Control Z to get it back. Let's just scale it down so we can see what we're doing. So I'm going to make it roughly the same size as the text. Going to drag it over, come off, left click, drag to select both. You can go the other way, doesn't matter. Right click, apply mask, and now you can see I've got the wood bark effect on the text. So to move the bark around, I'm going to click inside. So I've selected the image, and now as you see I'm moving the image around and you can see the bark is changing in the letters. So that's it. Then the image is ready for engraving. So masking is as simple as 1, 2, 3. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. I do really appreciate it, and it encourages me to make some more videos. That's Andy as ever, wishing you a good afternoon and continue to make some happy smoke. Thank you for making it to the end of my videos, much appreciated. If you like what I'm doing and I've earned your trust and respect, perhaps you would consider subscribing. If you leave a comment, I will answer them as well. And if you give me a thumbs up, it will put a smile on my face. Perhaps you would like some of the videos popping up now. See you in the next one.